Hi, I'm Sue Bird, and welcome to another installment of Between Two Birds. Today, I'm joined here with Alysha Clark. Thank you for joining me, Alysha.
Thank you for having me, Summer.
I had you here. Would you be what?
Summer, thank you.
I'm not Summer. Anyways, I invited you today because you seem to smile a lot.
Yeah, it's one of my favorite things to do.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. Makes for good TV. Anyways, welcome. Can I offer you some birdseed?
Sure. What kind is it?
Birdseed.
Okay.
It's regular. It's pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Did you actually eat it?
Yeah.
We also have some birdseed donuts. Would you like one?
Ooh.
They're actually really
thanks.
good too. Are you sure?
I'll pass, yeah. Susan wouldn't approve.
No, it's approved. It's seed.
No, it's okay.
Okay. So word around the bird feeder is that you like to cook. Is that true?
Yeah.
I'm really glad you said that because I just came across this cookbook and it's cooking for birds, and it had a couple of recipes that I thought you might be interested in. First is the double dipped cone. As you can see here, it attracts such birds as the black-caped chickadee, the tufted titmouse, the hairy woodpecker, and the white-breasted nuthatch. So that's a good one I thought you could try. Another one would be the happy bird day cake. Again, this attracts, the white-breasted nuthatch, the northern cardinal, amongst other varieties. Birds like myself, actually. And last, we've got the extra peanutty parfait. You see what they did there?
Oh, yeah, it's nice.
So you think you could?
I could try it.
Yeah, take that,
For sure.
take that. Yeah, that's for you.
You'll
I'll go
try?
for you.
You'll try if I make them?
Yeah, I'll definitely try them.
Perfect.
I mean, birdseed's my thing.
It works.
You want some more?
Sure.
Are you sure you don't want the donut?
No, I'm okay.
It's just,
Trying to keep my figure.
I mean, you ate that.
Yeah.
It's better than that.
Maybe
It's better than
we're done.
worms.
I'll try it at the end.
At the end.
Yeah.
I'm gonna remember that.
Okay.
So you know it's my birthday right around the corner, so I'm glad that I gave you that book.
Yeah.
It'll kind of, now you'll know what to do.
Everybody clap your hands.
Sorry, that gets me like every time. All right, now let's get to some serious business. I'm gonna ask you a question. Do you know this bird?
Yes.
Do you know the name?
Like the actual name?
Yeah.
I just call him Twitter Bird.
The what?
Twitter Bird.
His name's Larry. Like, doesn't Larry have enough? I mean, like, really? He has enough.
Yeah.
So I was wondering if you would sign my petition to legally change the name, the Tweeter Bird, as you call him, from Larry to Sue. Let's just give that a little.
Like
Give that a little signature. I already have 5, so you'll be number 6. Thanks, man. See,
Yeah.
I've always liked you. You wanna know why? Because you'll just fly with me in any weather, and I'm sure you've heard the expression, birds with feather flock together. That's you. Do you believe that?
Yeah.
You do.
Yes.
So you don't mind wearing one of these for the rest of the interview? I'm gonna join you. Just
I can't
just for the
breathe.
rest. Yeah, you can. It's a beak. It's actually pretty. It's like a natural fit. Yeah, right there. You're good.
Okay.
Nice. So, one serious question since we're in this interview. Who was it that you idolized growing up?
I didn't really have an idol.
No?
Aside from like my mom, like sports figure, nobody really, because I wasn't into sports.
But it could be your mom.
Yeah.
Your mom?
Yeah.
Well, I didn't really anticipate you would wear this. It's kind of uncomfortable. I can't stand wearing it, but can't stand wearing it. Signing off. This is Sue Bird with me, Alysha Clark, Between Two Birds.
Oh god.
Thanks, dude.
No problem.
See you in a couple
Yeah,
hours.
right. See you in 30 minutes.